when it comes to crop over events, the venues are just as important. And the city of Bridgetown ranks highest, as many of the events are held right here in our own capital. The official start of any crop over season usually commences with the ceremony of the last canes. This year, Queen's Park was the venue, but in previous years, other parts of Bridgetown served as the venue. Situated in the heart of the city, Golden Square Freedom Park also played and continues to play host to many crop over events. Its relaxed outdoor setting makes it a pristine venue for the Crop Over Folk Concert 2026.
So set this, the outgoing king classic, like an old horse he getting licks, blood I rev running.
Chosen primarily for its modernity, centrality, and spacious weather-friendly seating for patrons and performers alike. The multi-purpose facility of Kensington Oval has been the venue of many crop over events over the years, traditionally used as the venue for the Pick-a-Day Crop Finals. However, this year, it would be held at the Botanical Gardens. And of course, in beautiful Barbados, we cannot forget our lovely beaches, which also host some crop over activities. And of course, there's the mighty Grinder Highway, which hosts 4-day morning jam, Bridgetown Market, and Grand Kadooment. Though not listed on the NCF Cropover calendar, the Nation Publishing Company Limited went one step further in 2026 at the very start of the season, transforming Jubilee Gardens into the venue of its official crop over launch. It was chosen primarily because of its proximity to the original home of the nation, just a stone's throw away from St. Mary's Row. And boy, did the nation launch at that venue.